6 Focus Tips to Leverage Google's NLP Tools for Increasing Your Website Traffic. Number 1 Keyword Optimization. Integrate these keywords naturally into your content, including headings, subheadings, and body text. Number 2 Content Structuring. This not only improves user engagement but also increases the likelihood of your content appearing in featured snippets. Number 3 Intent-Driven Content. Create content that aligns with different stages of the buyer's journey or user's intent. Number 4 Natural Language Integration. This will help capture voice search traffic and cater to users who search in a more conversational tone. Number 5 Topic Clusters. Create a content strategy that revolves around these topics, interlinking your articles to build a comprehensive web of information. This strategy can enhance your website's authority and visibility. Number 6 User Experience Enhancement. NLP can assist in analyzing user sentiment and feedback. Use this information to refine your website's user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.